Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You might be wondering if you can just plug your PlayStation 5 into your laptop and start gaming. It's a common thought, especially since laptops have an HDMI port. But here's the thing. That port usually works in only one direction. We're going to explore why a direct connection won't work and what modern solutions actually let you enjoy your PS5 on your laptop. Your laptop's HDMI port is almost always an output-only connection. Think of it like this. Your laptop uses that port to display its screen on a larger monitor or projector. It's simply not engineered to take in video from another device, like your PlayStation 5. This is the fundamental reason why a simple cable won't let you play your console directly on its screen. The best and most recommended way to play your PlayStation 5 on your laptop is through PS Remote Play. This official application streams your game directly from your console to your computer screen, using your home network. You'll need a good internet connection and the free Remote Play app installed on your laptop. It's a smooth, convenient way to enjoy your games without needing any special hardware. Another way to get your PlayStation 5's video onto your laptop is by using an external capture card. This dedicated hardware connects to your laptop via USB and features an HDMI input port. You simply plug your PlayStation 5 into the capture card. The card then transmits the video signal to your laptop screen through specific software. This method is popular for streamers and content creators wanting to record or broadcast gameplay. So remember, directly connecting your PlayStation 5 to your laptop with an HDMI cable for display input won't work. For most people, the official PS Remote Play app is the easiest and most practical solution, letting you stream your games seamlessly. If you're into streaming or recording, a dedicated capture card is your powerful hardware option. Choose the method that best fits your gaming setup and needs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.